Well, I put it back on and probably didn't torque them to spec. Just, you know, good and tight.
I'm not even really good.
Well, it was also when it was hot.
You also said good enough.
Yeah, it was also hot. So now it's cold and they shrink. That's how it works, right?
Shouldn't shrink that much.
That's how it works, right?
Sure.
Anyway, welcome back to DZR. We're working on the actual Acura today.
We're doing race car stuff.
Yeah.
Actually.
Doing the postseason.
Preseason.
Well, it's supposed to be post, but now it's preseason.
Yeah, because we didn't do any postseason at all.
Yeah, and now we have like a month and a half, maybe.
If that, they haven't even released the schedule yet.
Yeah.
But they said late February, maybe early March, and we're second to last week in January. No, it is last weekend in January.
Yep. So it's like we kind of want to race like most of the season, so.
We want to actually have a good season this year instead of two.
Do all the stuff we said we were going to do.
Yeah, it's good. Probably time for us to clean this.
Yeah, the little varnish, a little not good.
Yeah, she smells funny.
Yeah. Okay. So our plan is basic engine tune-up.
All
then-
the tune-up.
So
Clean
spark
the intake really good.
plugs, coils, clean the intake gaskets.
We're gonna do a new radiator because it doesn't really leak much, but it leaks a tad.
And it's slightly bent.
Yeah, there's just a little bit of residue. So while we're having it out, we're gonna bend this back out, hopefully, so we can actually get a grill in here and have aerodynamics.
Yeah, and then the biggest thing is you see the little maybe transmission cooler there, and the even smaller power steering cooler there. Yeah, those are going to be full size now. They're going to be big.
Yes.
Like both of them together are almost as big as the radiator, and that way it won't lock up steering and be all mad at us.
Just like it did on the first rallycross with this thing.
Yeah,
That was not lovely.
it's not great to not be able to steer once you're going fast. Oh yeah. And then probably clean up the inside, get it looking more like a race car on the inside than just beat up, stripped car. And then new wheels, tires, and everything because these are, yeah, you can't really say anything. But yeah, they're cooked.
Been driving it pretty hard.
So first spark plug off the front. See if it's good.
Eventually.
A lot of threads.
Oh, those look really good.
Yeah.
They look real good. I like it.
Yeah.
You get some light on that, yeah.
Just slightly toasted.
No, they look really good. They're just used.
Yeah.
So.
Nice.
Oh, these are iridium plugs. Didn't say iridiums.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, these he had the good stuff put in there.
We're putting even better.
Mirror. NGK iridium.
Yeah. I don't know. I just like NGK.
NGK's really good.
Yeah.
Especially
It's like I think they're the same as the not Denso, but what was the one you just put out?
just Denso.
Oh, okay. So yeah. So yeah, they should be better.
They're a little hot, but it's good.
A little toasty. All right. Since we have the tool, we're going to
Explore the cylinder wall. Oh man, it looks good in there. Oh. Let me see.
it might be too thick.
No, it goes through. I'm just trying to see.
Oh, yeah. This is one of the
But-
cheaper bore scopes.
But I see cylinder hash marks, so that means we're in really good shape.
Yeah.
So
And barely anything on top of that piston.
yeah, we're looking really good.
Cool. We have found something interesting. Here is a strut bar.
Factory strut bar.
Yeah, factory. And there's a vacuum port in it.
Vacuum line running to it for some reason.
And there's a bigger piece that runs like back in there. Like you just feel the vacuum line on the bigger piece, but the bigger piece runs back there, and that is welded to the bottom of the strut bar. Leave us a comment if you know anything about Acuras and what the fuck that is.
I want to know too.
Oh yeah.
Don't use hard tires in Autocross. One, they don't grip good, and two, they rip apart a lot.
Oh, the marbling. That's where it comes from.
Lots of pieces of tire and chunks missing everywhere.
Yep.
A lot of it right there. The other tire's got more chunks, but this one's just got more.
Roughness.
Yeah.
There's like one solid line all the way around. I wonder if it compressed all the way and touched something in the wheel well. Like just barely kissed it. Because that's like such a perfect.
What?
Yeah, it's such a perfect line though.
I don't see what it could be.
Yeah, I don't know.
It could have been something on the track. But yeah.
I don't think any of us ran into a cone like that. And
Jacob might have.
dragged it with us. I don't know.
So get out the way, push the pedal to the floor, blow 'em all away. Yeah, you see I'm getting close, I accelerate, going faster than fast, hit the gas, lose control.
Why are these always so tight, man?
Running high, put your money on the dash, throw the
Trying to-
dice, lose control.
Oh, my bad. Alright, this is what you do when your lug nut is a bitch.
Stop now!
Took us all.
Oh, it broke it.
Oh, it broke. Window go burr. Ready when you are. Or not. Okay. Oh, yeah. Steamy. Oh. She's a little ugly still at the moment, but it moves and stops. It sounds very happy.
Oh yeah. No, I'm just cycling through the gears real quick.
Yep.
So I can get an accurate reading on the transmission.
Yep. I think it's full. I think the other one will be fine because there's no belt over there.
Good for now.
No leaking. No leaking. That's just a spill. Don't worry.
Yo. Nasty, man.
So you can turn around in this lot or turn up here in the neighborhood.
Brakes, man. We can turn right here. So I used to drive in my truck where it's like you need like 10 times the room to do anything.
Yeah.
Because everything's fucked. Oh, that ching chong turning radius. Oh, still gonna hit the sign.
Yep. Unfortunately. That made it worse.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, what a luxury.
Yeah, I know.
What a luxury.
We have learned we haven't destroyed everything on this car.
What happens when you're broke?
I can't afford livery or stickers.
Do it yourself.
Just
Luckily,
gotta,
I'm pretty good freehanded, so.
yeah. Yeah, you just gotta learn how to be broke better.
Should either be broke or have nothing, so.
Enhance. Enhance.
Like that one guy says, is you're just bad at being poor.
Yeah. Hello.
So,
So,
we got busy and didn't video a lot of what we were doing.
it's about a month later now.
Yeah, we're like a month and a half later. It's the weekend before race day.
Yeah. Not even weekend, it's Monday.
Yeah, it's Monday before race day.
It's race day is Sunday.
Yeah. Since then, we've
Yeah, we'll go to where we left off.
which is the hood, under hood.
It's a little sticky now. So we got a lot of most of the coils replaced, all the spark plugs. Still kind of dirty. Kind of want to wash it out. Probably do that Friday. We got little hole in our thingy fixed. Don't worry about that.
Yeah, we tried to make a new one, and the new one cracked worse. So it's like RTP.
Yeah, we'll have to change that file and make a version 2. The big thing we changed. We have a third transmission cooler.
There's
So
one there,
Down.
one
Yep.
in the radiator, one here, and we have another power steering cooler as well,
Yep, 2 of those. So,
and a brand new radiator.
oh yeah, brand new because the last one had a couple holes in it.
Took all the AC stuff out.
Yep, all the AC out of the way. Everything other than the compressors out. We're good to go. All right, and then we moved on.
Bigger brakes.
Oh, yep, hang on. Big brakes.
Good pads. They stop so good you can feel the blood rush to your face.
Yep, EBC pads, A1 Auto not calipers, rotors.
And some Dunlop Sport Max 2 that grip really, really good.
Yep, not so much in mud, but you know, whatever.
That's for driving through the yard.
Yeah. And then got the windows and wiring set up for the inside. So windows now past tech. And other than that, the inside's pretty much the same, just still dirty from the rally.
Remounted the body control mod. So,
Yeah.
and made opener straps.
Oh yeah, little leather opener straps. So you can actually get out without having to just pull on a wire. And then
Pull on it.
yeah, pull on that wire. And got a lot of the old modules out of here, so the only things left in here now, yeah, stuff we need like fuel pump controller, rear diff controller, wires that run those two, and they get mad when you unplug them. Ask me how I know. And then, oh yeah, the biggest thing, we painted it. We have paint and stickers, so it looks like Racecar now. And we have sponsors now. Oh, I can't see it. So we got wash and work. We got Carolina Heavy Transport. And we have a friend over at Graphics Unlimited. Oh, and Tar Heel. They're friends too.